Good morning.
Hello.
And welcome back to our PNW Adventures. Today we have another great adventure planned for you guys.
Yeah, we're on Relato Beach in the Olympic National Park on the beach. And we're going to make our way up to the Hoh Rainforest.
Oh my gosh, I've wanted to go here for so long. I'm so excited. The mossy trees and
Hall of
just
mosses.
it's going to be so beautiful.
Yep, and then we're staying at the
Hoh
Valley Cabins, yeah.
Yeah. So another cute little cabin series to bring you tonight too. So
it's beautiful out here.
Let's get this adventure started and
hit
the road.
I don't want to leave. This is beautiful out here. Holy cow.
If you watched last week's video, we ended our night here at Rialto Beach with some crazy waves, and I wanted to come back again this morning to see if it was like similar, if that was kind of like a one-time thing.
Oh God. Oh.
But the waves are so huge again this morning,
yep.
So I think it's just how it is here.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
First that we're doing is the Hall of Mosses.
It's about a 1 mile trail, relatively flat.
Ooh,
so
mallard.
Not a lot of elevation, but man, we've hardly started and it's already just beyond gorgeous. We have this amazing clear stream running through here. Oh.
Check it out. Oh my God.
We are now entering the older part of the forest. Here, there is a primeval spirit. Moldering logs, trunks shaggy with moss, and giant trees that seem as old as the earth. Let's go check it out.
Next up is the Spruce Nature Trail. It's about a 1.3 mile.
I think so, round trip.
Yep, it takes us around by the Hoh River, so that'll be pretty.
And we're on top of the former riverbed itself, so let's go.
Oh my god, you look tiny in it. Oh wow.
This thing is so big.
That's what she said.
It's so crazy because you would think this tree would be dead and because it fell over, but it's got actual trees growing out of the top of the roots there and ferns alive, so it's still a living being. This colonnade of Sitka spruce and western hemlock straddles the remains of its nurse log. So the nurse log is the original log that probably fell down, and then these trees grew on top of that log. And even if the nurse log had moldered completely away, the buttressed roots of the tree standing in a straight line would tell how the growth began.
That is it from the Spruce Nature Trail?
Yeah,
Wow.
1.3 miles. Highly recommend. It's relatively flat, so not really any elevation gain.
I was
But
videoing
man,
everything.
it was so
Sorry.
beautiful. And you get to walk along the river for a little bit, and there's
That's
a
really nice.
little observe area, so definitely check that out if you come
Yeah.
back. All right, next up we are going to go on the Hoh River Trail. This is a 17.5 mile trail to Glacier Meadows.
We're not doing that.
We're not doing that. We're just going to walk it for a little bit because
It's
it is already
3
3 o'clock. So we're just going to walk until we feel like turning around, and let's go see what we see.
Okay. This.
Oh my gosh. This tree and the moss on it. It looks like there needs to be fairies like living here. I'm sure there probably are, but it's magical.
Just amazing. Gotta see it in person.
Whoa. Look at where it came from. All right, we are going to turn it around on the Hoh River Trail. We are at 1.6 miles and we've already done a lot today. So we're actually turning around at one of the dispersed campsites along the river. So we thought that would be a good stopping point. We got to go out to the river front.
Great flat trail.
Yeah.
Nothing out of the ordinary. Still beyond beautiful.
gosh.
Green. So much green. And
I don't think I've ever seen this much green before.
Nah,
I didn't know there was this much green in the whole galaxy.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, turn it around. We'll see you back at the car.
All right, let's go. Whew. We did a lot at the Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park today. It was amazing. The last hike that we did 3.19 miles, 108
Hour and
feet
27.
in elevation.
Yeah, hour and 27.
Yeah, we kind of hauled butt on it.
Yeah.
But
Cool.
we are done here, so we are going to go check into our cabin, and then we will show you around. So let's go. right,
Hi.
we are here at Hoh Valley Cabins, and oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful little place. And it looks almost brand new. I don't know when they built this, but
Yeah.
it is super nice. I
It's
think
right off the road.
yeah, right off the road, right, maybe like 5 miles from the park
Yeah,
entrance.
about that. Yep.
About 5 miles from the park entrance, and I want to say it was about $155 a night, a little
Something like
more
that.
with taxes. So really affordable for one night staying here. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna need it.
Yeah.
Oh man,
We've
we're
got
sore.
a mini little kitchen, nice relaxation area, bedroom, full-size bathroom this time.
Sweet.
So there is no TV, but we did bring our projector and our projector screen, so we're gonna watch a movie tonight. So
Lots of movies.
yeah.
And beer.
All right,
Let's
let's
go.
unload and go take a shower. All right, tonight for dinner we are doing quesadillas. We're gonna use our leftover hamburger patties from last night and make some taco meat. And we've got sweet red peppers and orange peppers and some really strong onions because I was just crying cutting them. And then we'll add all the cheese, salsa. We've got some chips, so it's gonna be amazing. TV, make it work.
Yeah.
Which is by the Grand Canyon. This is the first trip of
yeah.
2024.
We got about 5 different videos downloaded from YouTube, so we're gonna watch some of our YouTube channels and yeah, then call it a night.
Mostly western Arizona, but also some Nevada in there. And this is actually sort of a slot canyon. It's supposed to be pretty interesting. I think there are fossils in here, as the name Fossil Canyon suggests. I've never been in here before, but I don't think I've ever been in a slot canyon or a canyon with narrows in it.
All right, this morning we're doing something a little different we've never tried before. We're gonna make breakfast quesadillas. I had the idea last night. So we took some of our potatoes we had left over, chopped them up with some breakfast sausage, some scrambled eggs with our leftover sweet red peppers, orange peppers, and onions. So make a little quesadilla out of it. It turned out so good. Alright, that that is it for our stay at this cozy little cabin. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. We slept for like 10 hours last night. Are we doing an outro?
We're doing an outro.
Oh, okay.
We're done. We're done here.
All right.
We done. We out. Time to go home.
All right, we hope you enjoyed this Olympic National Park series and our cozy little cabins that we stayed in. It was such a fun time. Highly recommend coming up here. It does cost $30 to get into this part of the park here in the Hoh Rainforest, or you can get the America the Beautiful Pass, which lasts all year long. We have one of those. But if you're looking to really not spend any money, if you go along the coast, you're in the Olympic National Park and it doesn't cost anything. So it's a great opportunity to go check out a national park with no cost. So, all right.
Cool.
Well, that is it.
That's it.
Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. In the Olympic National Forest. This is day 2 of our Olympic National Forest series. Video 2.
Park.
Cut that.
That is it from the Hall of Mosses. No, it's not.
Spruce Trail.
Yeah.
Let me do one quick.
Check everything.
So, to commemorate our trip to the Hoh Rainforest, when we stopped at the store yesterday, we thought it would be really funny to get ho-hos for finishing the Hoh Rainforest. Cheers to finally getting to the Hoh.
Woo-hoo! Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, it's so gross.
Where'd it go?
They're in the garbage. That was so gross.
This is gonna make me feel awesome later.
We don't eat crap like that.
Sure. Mm.